Hello, everybody. My name is Michael Holt, and today I am here to give a persuasive speech about mopeds and why you should get one because they're effective and cheap. Now, picture this. It's a beautiful day at the University of South Carolina, and you want to go to the gym. You grab your moped keys, and you head out the door. You start her up, and you're on the road, and you're at the top of the hill by Blatt. As you start going down the hill, you're gaining some speed. And until you gain speed until you reach about 40 miles per hour, when your hair is blowing through the wind. This is one of the best feelings in the world, and I get to experience it every day when I take my moped onto campus. Whether I'm going to the gym or I'm going to my classes, I take my moped everywhere on campus. And this solves one of the biggest problems at University of South Carolina, which is parking. Colleges are normally notoriously known for having no parking or being one of the biggest problems on campus. Here at University of South Carolina, I think every student could say that parking here is one of the biggest problems that we have. Imagine you had to leave 40 minutes early before your class just so you can get a parking spot and be in class on time. Or you're running late for a class. And when you pull up in your car next to the buildings, there's no parking, and so you have nowhere to park, and you miss class. Or you just want to go to the gym and not have to worry about parking anywhere near around it. Or you don't want to have to worry about coming out from the gym or coming out from a class and seeing this person next to your car, just giving you a ticket for $25 for not parking in the right area or not having the right permit or something like that. It's just not a fun time, and it just kills everybody's day. Or you don't want to end up spending money for parking passes or parking garages such as Bull Street Garage, because they can be very expensive too. Parking at Bull Street can be over $1,000 a year. So the solution to these problems I just listed is getting a moped. Mopeds are the easiest and the cheapest way to get around this problem. They are very cheap. They're under $1,000 brand new. Mopeds are also very lightweight, which means you do not have to be good at driving bikes or motorcycles or be good at driving at all. You can just you can drive it. Anybody can drive it. And you don't have to have a license in order to operate a moped, which is also another nice thing. Also, they're very cost effective. Once you buy one, you do not have to put a lot of money into it. And the best part is it is very fuel efficient, and you fill it up once a month. A gallon can get you 100 miles, and that's plenty for everywhere I need to go on campus. And they are very quick, and they can get you where you need to go on campus. And you can park right next to any building or any the gym or wherever you need to go. And my favorite part is they're just fun to ride. I love riding my moped. I love taking my moped on campus. I love driving by Blatt with the wind blowing in my hair. It's just a great time. So visualize this. Now next year when everything's back on campus and normal, you can instead of leaving 40 minutes early for your class, you only have to leave 10 minutes early because you have the moped and you don't have to worry about parking. For example, I have most of my classes at the university or at Dartmouth School of Business, and there's parking right behind that, so I can literally leave my house 10 minutes before class, park behind Dartmouth, and walk into my class with no stress at all. Or you don't have to worry about coming out of class at Dartmouth or the gym and seeing that parking ticket on your car, which just dampens your day and it kills your mood. Or you can just ride through campus with your hair blowing in the wind, and it's one of the best feelings ever. And you're saving a lot of money because you're not paying parking tickets that you have to put in your car. You don't have to pay any parking garage fee or anything like that. and you're not spending nearly as much money on gas. So this is very cost efficient and fun way to get around this problem at the University of South Carolina. With all of these problems with on-campus parking, getting a moped is the most convenient and best option you can go with because it solves all these problems. If you're experiencing any of these problems I listed as a student at the University of South Carolina, you should go to Hog Scooters, which is less than 5 minutes from campus, and they have a great range of mopeds, and they'll get you hooked up, and it's right near campus. It's less than a mile within 5 minutes away, and as they say, they'll get you squealing. That's where I've taken my moped everywhere, and they're very nice people. Thank you all for being a great audience and listening to my speech. I hope that you have a great rest of the day. Thanks.